322 species in genus Clusia. Clusia, my fascination with the autograph tree. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the unique and intriguing in the natural world. Lately, my attention has been captured by the genus Clusia from the Clusiaceae family, a fascinating group of plants native to the tropical Americas. These plants, often called autograph trees, have a unique characteristic that allows you to scratch messages onto their leaves, which remain etched there as the leaf grows. This, combined with their unusual growth habits and ecological importance, makes them a truly captivating subject. A diverse genus with remarkable adaptations. Clusia is a large genus, comprising an estimated 300 species. This diversity is reflected in the wide range of forms they take, from small shrubs to towering trees. Some species, like Clusia rosea, are popular ornamentals, prized for their beautiful, thick leaves and waxy, pink flowers. Others, like Clusia grandiflora, are canopy giants, their roots snaking down from the treetops to the forest floor. One of the most remarkable aspects of Clusia is its adaptability. Many species begin life as epiphytes, germinating high in the canopy and sending roots down to the ground. As these roots establish themselves, they often engulf their host tree, eventually taking its place. This strategy, known as hemiepiphytism, allows Clusia to thrive in the competitive environment of the rainforest. More than just a pretty face. But Clusia is more than just a botanical curiosity. These plants play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their fruits are an important food source for a variety of animals, including birds, monkeys, and even bats. Their flowers provide nectar for pollinators, and their leaves offer shelter for insects and other small creatures. Furthermore, Clusia species have been found to possess medicinal properties. Traditional healers have long used extracts from these plants to treat a variety of ailments, including skin infections, inflammation, and even cancer. Modern science is beginning to investigate these claims, and some studies have shown promising results. A closer look at some notable species. Given the vast number of Clusia species, it would be impossible to list them all here. See full list at monsterholic.com. Clusia versus Cocoplum. I found Clusia to be a hardier option than Cocoplum in my garden, thriving despite the occasional neglect. Clusia versus Podocarpus. When comparing Clusia to Podocarpus, I noticed Clusia requires less maintenance and grows faster in my experience. Clusia versus Erica. I prefer Clusia over Erica because its dense foliage offers better privacy for my backyard. Clusia versus Ficus. In my opinion, Clusia edges out Ficus due to its superior tolerance to pruning and fewer pest issues. How to care for Clusia. Light, sun-kissed, or shade-seeker. The Clusia is surprisingly versatile when it comes to light. Unlike some finicky houseplants, it can thrive in a range of conditions. Here's the breakdown. Bright light. This tropical beauty loves to bask in the sun. Place it near a south, east, or west-facing window for optimal growth. Partial shade. Don't have a south-facing window? No worries. The Clusia tolerates partial shade well. Just be mindful that growth might be slower. Here's the key. Avoid placing your Clusia in complete darkness. It needs some indirect sunlight to perform photosynthesis and stay healthy. Water. Finding the balance. Finding the perfect watering routine is crucial for any plant, and the Clusia is no exception. Here's how to avoid underwatering or overwatering, the bane of many houseplant parents. The finger test. This simple trick is your best friend. Stick your finger into the soil about 2 inches deep. If it feels dry, it's watering time. Soak and drain. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until water runs out of the drainage holes. This ensures the roots get a good drink. Avoid letting your Clusia sit in waterlogged soil, as this can lead to root rot. Remember, underwatering is generally better than overwatering for the Clusia. It's more forgiving of dry spells than soggy roots. Humidity, mimicking the tropics. Clusia hails from the humid tropics, so it appreciates a bit of moisture in the air. Here are ways to keep your plant happy. Grouping plants. Placing your Clusia near other humidity-loving plants creates a mini microclimate that benefits everyone. Pebble tray. Fill a tray with pebbles and water. Sit your Clusia's pot on top, not directly in the water, to increase humidity around the leaves. Humidifier. If your home is naturally dry, consider using a humidifier to create a more tropical environment for your Clusia. Soil. the foundation of growth. The Clusia thrives in well-draining soil. Here's what you can do. Potting mix. Use a commercial potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. These mixes usually have good drainage properties. Perlite or orchid bark. Adding perlite or orchid bark to your potting mix further enhances drainage. Remember, proper drainage is essential to prevent root rot. Fertilizer. Feeding for success. While not a heavy feeder, your Clusia will benefit from occasional fertilization during its growing season, spring and summer. Here are some pointers. Balanced fertilizer. Opt for a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Frequency. Apply fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter when the plant's growth slows. How to propagate Clusia. Feeling generous? You can propagate your Clusia to create new plants. Here's a popular method. Stem cuttings. Take a stem cutting with a few leaves during the growing season. Plant the cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining soil and provide warmth and humidity. With patience, you'll see new growth emerge in a few weeks. Common Clusia issues. Troubleshooting like a pro. Even the most attentive plant parent might encounter occasional issues. Here are some common Clusia problems and their solutions. Yellowing leaves. This could be a sign of underwatering, overwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering routine or move your plant to a brighter location. Brown spots. Excess sunlight, low humidity, or fungal diseases can cause brown spots on the leaves. Check for pests and adjust your care routine accordingly. Scale insects. These tiny sap-sucking insects can infest your Clusia. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap are effective remedies. Conclusion. The allure of the Clusia. The Clusia is a unique and rewarding houseplant that offers a touch of the tropics to your home. With its adaptability to various light conditions, forgiving nature towards underwatering, and stunning foliage, it's a perfect choice for both experienced plant enthusiasts and curious beginners. So, if you're looking for a conversation starter with a twist, consider welcoming a Clusia into your life. Remember, with proper care and a little TLC, your Clusia will thrive for years to come, leaving its beautiful mark on your indoor space.